What's up, O'Brien Army? So, a new update. So, we're live in Hemet, and the rain is beginning to fall. It's most likely coming from that direction over there. As you can tell, you can hardly see the mountains that are over there. And the skies are significantly darker over there than they are over here. Hurricane Hilary is still coming. And we're all gonna be sorry when it gets here if we're not prepared. Anyway, the rain is going to continue throughout the day, and the wind will soon begin to pick up. As you can see, the clouds are moving. I don't know how, but it basically, judging by the looks of all of those clouds over there, it really looks like I'm fixing to get slammed. It really does look like I'm about to get slammed by something. And that means I'm in big trouble. I gotta go.